Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Zebronics tower speaker via Bluetooth. First, make sure your speaker is plugged in and powered on. Next, position your speaker within about 1 meter or 3 feet of the device you wish to connect. Then, locate and press the Mode button on your speaker until you hear an audible prompt indicating Bluetooth mode is active or see a flashing blue light. Now, grab your smartphone, tablet, or computer and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Turn on Bluetooth if it isn't already. Your device will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth signals. Look for a device named Zebronics or something similar like Zeb Sound Bomb in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the pairing process. Once you've selected your Zebronics speaker, listen carefully for a confirmation tone or a voice prompt from the speaker itself, indicating a successful connection. Simultaneously, check your device's Bluetooth settings. It should now show Connected next to the Zebronics speaker's name. If you encounter any issues, simply power off both your speaker and your Bluetooth device, wait 10 seconds, and then try the process again. With your Zebronics tower speaker successfully connected, you're all set to enjoy your audio. Open your preferred music app or streaming service on your device and start playing. You can control the volume directly from your speaker's controls or conveniently adjust it using your connected smartphone or tablet. For the best sound experience, place your speaker on a stable, flat surface.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.